In this endless race of life, we are always running, sometimes chasing desires, sometimes escaping fears, sometimes searching for dreams, and sometimes struggling with dissatisfaction. But in this rush, we have forgotten the simplest, the most original, and the most divine gift within us, our breath. Think about it. When a child is born, the very first thing it does is cry and breathe. And when someone leaves this world, it is the last breath that departs. Our entire journey begins and ends with breath. Yet, we have never truly learned how to breathe with awareness. The ancient yogis said, "The doorway of the body is food, but the doorway of the soul is breath." Today, let us walk together on a journey known as the miracle of 17 breaths. This is not just a technique, it is the simplest path of meditation, the bridge to meet your own soul. The first breath, take your first breath and feel as if the entire universe is entering inside you. Not just air, but vitality, cosmic vibrations, and the living force of the earth. As you exhale, it feels like every burden is leaving your body. The second breath, your shoulders grow lighter. The weight of years of stress begins to melt away. An unseen force is freeing you from within. The third breath now, breath is no longer just breath. It becomes a companion. It whispers, "Come, let me introduce you to your true self." The fourth breath, you begin to hear the silence within. Between two heartbeats, there is a tiny pause. That pause is the secret doorway to meditation, where your soul waits in silence. The fifth breath, the restless race of the mind begins to stop. The noise of thoughts transforms into the stillness of a calm lake. And in that stillness, your true reflection appears. The sixth breath, you realize you are not just this body. Your awareness expands beyond limits, vast and infinite like the open sky. The seventh breath, memories begin to awaken, childhood moments, unfinished dreams, forgotten faces. Do not resist them. Let them flow through you, and you will feel lighter than ever before. The eighth breath, the gate of compassion opens. Now you realize you are not living only for yourself. The song of birds, the laughter of children, the whisper of the wind, all of them are part of you. The ninth breath, the noise of the outer world begins to fade. No phones, no traffic, no endless chatter. Only peace, only silence. The 10th breath, a sudden realization dawns. Breathing is not your doing. An invisible power is breathing through you. This is your first living experience of the divine. The 11th breath, a light begins to glow within you. Not a lamp, not a bulb, but the radiance of your own consciousness. The 12th breath, numbers disappear. Names and identities vanish. You are no longer a person. You are pure existence, limitless, without boundaries. The 13th breath, a wave of bliss arises within. Not a joy that depends on things, people, or circumstances, but the eternal joy that was always hidden inside you, now revealed. The 14th breath, a deep stability fills you. No movement, no trembling, only solid silence. This stability will keep you strong through every storm of life. The 15th breath, fear dissolves. You feel waves of unseen energy protecting you. Even the fear of death slowly disappears. The 16th breath, you rise beyond the body. The soul spreads its wings. Now you are only the sky, boundless, weightless, free. The 17th breath, the final step. Here, breath and your very self both dissolve. Only infinite silence remains. Only eternal light remains. This is the ultimate state of meditation. Milky Way, the secret of meditation. When this journey completes, you understand that meditation is not escape. It is not running away from life. Meditation is living every moment with full awareness. When the mind is stable, anger turns into love, jealousy into compassion, and fear into courage. Slowly, this practice offers you 4 priceless gifts. 1. Lightness, freedom from all burdens. 2. Energy, a new strength flowing within. 3. Compassion, the ability to embrace all life. 4. Liberation, freedom from the chains of the inner self. Herb, the final experience. Now imagine you are lying under the open night sky. Above, countless stars are shining. A cool breeze touches your face, and you are simply